In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your bank and credit card accounts to QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll have your financial institutions securely linked so transactions flow in automatically, saving you time on data entry and reconciliation. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and look to the left. Navigation, click on Accounting. This takes you into the area where you manage your books, including the tools to connect bank and credit card feeds. Depending on your view, this may route you into the banking connection workflow. Next, use the search field to find your financial institution. Begin typing the name of the bank or card issuer you use. Be specific and try the official name listed on your statement. If you don't see it right away, try a shorter keyword, check common alternate spellings, or add your region. Matching the correct institution matters because each connection is tailored to that provider's secure login and data format. As an example, type PayPal into the search. This process is the same for traditional banks and credit card providers. Search, confirm the right option, then proceed. If multiple PayPal options appear, choose the one that matches how you use the service, such as personal or business, and the country that applies to your account. Now, click on PayPal from the results. Take a quick moment to verify the logo and description so you know you're selecting the correct connection. Choosing the right one upfront helps avoid duplicate or partial links later. Then click on Continue. This opens a secure window where you'll connect QuickBooks to your provider. Have your sign-in details and any multi-factor authentication device ready. You'll be asked to grant permission for QuickBooks to access transactions. This is a read-only connection. It imports activity but can't move money. Follow the prompts to select which specific accounts to link, such as a checking account, savings, or credit card, and choose a starting date for the data you want to bring in. Picking the correct start date helps you avoid duplicates if you've already recorded older transactions. Once connected, QuickBooks begins pulling recent transactions. You'll see them in the banking area under For Review, where you can categorize, match to existing records, and create simple rules for recurring items. If you already have those accounts set up in your chart of accounts, be sure to map the connection to the existing ledgers rather than creating new ones, so your history stays in one place. And remember, connect each financial account only once to keep your register clean. That's it. Click Accounting, search your institution like PayPal, select it, and hit. Continue to finish the secure sign-in and link. You're now ready to let QuickBooks do the heavy lifting on your daily transactions.